right, let's begin. Oof. Shall we do it right at the start? It's not even 7 p.m. yet, and that's the shot right now. Looks really good. I was hoping for this, maybe a little bit more, and we. This is gonna be a really quick one. I was thinking that this is gonna be a selling point right here. I don't know. Should we wait? Sometimes we don't need to wait. This looks really good. Right up to resistance. If it fail, it fails. You know what? If it fail, I'm fine with it. I'm just gonna do it right now at um 25.55 and 3, 2, 1. And I just want to see the pull down first. And 3, 2, 1 right here. Already set. Wow, this is going to be a really short. I saw this and I didn't think that I'm going to have the opportunity to play it this quick. Just open it up and that is. So let's hope this will become profitable because I already took my play right here. And if it's not, it's not. It's fine. I already make my peace with it. And if it's not, I'll play it again because I already had the I didn't have the play yesterday, so I'm gonna have another play again today. Just hoping that it didn't trigger me out. Come on. Out of the gate? You kidding me? That's gonna be a quick one. Like truly a quick one. But that's too bad. That's just the name of the game. I coming in, look at it. That's a short signal. This is already a break of structure. There was this little tiny break right here, but that shouldn't be much of a concern. It coming double break down here, coming back up for a retest. There's another second short signal. So let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm hoping for at least 300 points right now, but let's see if it cannot go past this EF to the line. If it stays above, then we are gonna switch our plan and we're gonna take a tiny loss where we are going to play another round. But looks like luck's on our side, so let's see. Let's see if we can actually take this for profit. Let me just record this screen. And I hope everybody looks seeing this up right now. Looking good. I gotta be honest, this is gonna be a quick one. Whether it hit target or target profit or stop loss, I'm okay with it. Yesterday was not how I should be playing. I should be everything aligned. I should be get it like I should be just let it go. Whatever happens, happens. I okay with less than like about less than 40% of win rate. And here we go. Here we go. All right. So I already pressed in my position. 0.15. Stop loss right at 68.5. I press it already. And let's see. Let's see. That's 65.6. Nope, it has to be 65.5. 54. Okay. Right there. Okay. Perfect. So that's my stop loss. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see it. Let's see it drop right here. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I will have one more play today. If it doesn't, but if it does, then we'll stop for today. Take our win and then just go. But if we didn't if we hit our stop loss, I will take one more trade and that's it. And here we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go down. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay, now it doesn't look so good. The reason why I said it doesn't look so good is because it's starting to stay above the eternal line. This eternal line should not be breaking. So if it does break right here at 68.5, I will be out because I don't want to stay where I might get stopped out. Where it might just keep on going up and up and up. So let's see here. Actually, 4 more minutes, it will change the directions. So I'm hoping for another 5 minutes. Let me take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour. Oh, Jesus Christ. Looks like it wants to go up on a 1 hour shot. Unless it can drop down, this might be a recovery to the upside because it's leaving a lot of bottoming tail right now. And on a daily time frame, it looks like it is breaking out. So, I might be in trouble here. My first trade of the day, I might be in trouble. But I already took the trade. If you want to take the trade with me, you can certainly do it now. However, I don't have a good, not as good as a feeling I had since the beginning, like 3 minutes ago. Right now, we are just wait 3 more minutes for the graph to decide whether it wants to come down or want to go up. And right now, it just need to break down below the eternal line. If it cannot stay above eternal line like this, I might closing it early, leaving me more room for my next play. Let's see. Let's see it breaks. Let's see it breaks. Let's see if it can break that 67 right here. If it cannot, there's not much hope here. Let's go. It has to break the 67. If it cannot and it break up over 68, I will be stop loss at 68.5. I don't care. And I will be playing one more round. And this time I am going to be a little bit more careful. Yesterday was I was very emotional, and today I'll be like, you know what? I'm just gonna get 2 in and done. This is the best setup I've seen, and when I'm jumping in, I was like, yep, this is it. So I'm jumping. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. Doesn't matter. Come on. Let's go. In another 2 minutes, it will show me which way it took. If I have a target profit on this one, I will be done. Basically one and done. But if it hit a stop loss, I will have one more play because yesterday I haven't played. So I have one more play today, and that'll be it. All right. Yeah, definitely not gonna play 2 for today. No. It's definitely going to come down, waiting 1 more minute. Let's see, 30 seconds before it changes the... Come on. 30 more seconds before it changes the hourly shot. Let's see if it break down. If it can break down below the 67, that would be great. If it cannot, well, if it cannot, it cannot. Here we go. Here's the new hourly shot. Let's see if it's going to be a red one. All right, the breaking downs has started now. Come on, let's go. For those of you who haven't get in, you can get in right now. Still not too late. But be aware that the stop loss is going to be at 200 points. All right, breaking down, let's go, come on. If it can break down below 66, it will go all the way down here. This right here is basically the sideway where there's a lot of buyers and sellers try to deal the price. But right here, if it can break this 66 right here, it will come all the way down to our target point. I don't want to sell it too late, so I already saw this rejection in price, so I am going to sell it. And right now, the continuing short coming in. Let's see if it can stay below the EF tunnel line, and if it can, then it will go all the way down to that 63. If it cannot break above, we are gonna be in for a stop loss. That's it. The graph. How if you are here new, learning how to trade, this is the more simple, basic things, simple principle for you to understand. Is the graph can do anything. You don't have any control over it. The only thing you have control over it is deciding when to get in. That's it. Once you get in, all the other time is just managing your trade the way you're planning it. And if your plan right now, for me, is gonna wait for the target profit at the previous low right here at $64. So let's see if it can come down to the 64 and possibly break beyond that. If it cannot, it cannot. That's nothing else to it. All right, come on. And right here, if it does going back up above this tunnel line, I will have a stop loss at 68.5. Now I'm very confident that this is what I like to see. If it does go back above 68.5, I don't want anything to do with this trade. But if it can stay below here and just kind of sideways, zigzagging and stay below, it will eventually break. And once it breaks that 66, it will come all the way down to my target. That's my plan. All right, let's see. But this looks good so far. Except for this previous candle, the green candle, everything looks according to plan. But even if everything according to plan doesn't mean that I won't hit a stop loss. That's what stop loss is for. The stop loss is for me to get stopped out so I don't lose anymore. And that's the thing. Getting stop loss is good because then you are choosing your risk. You are once you can choose your risk, all the other time will be just managing your risk. Simple as that. So when you first, especially for those of you who started out, I want you to first recognize what your risks are, and once you have that, then it will become easier to manage your risk by controlling your lot sizes, by putting a stop loss at entry, whatever it may be. And right now, it once it breaks, it try to stay below, cannot, and this will be the deciding candle here. If it stay below, then that would be great. If it cannot, if like that, if it pulled up and become a green candle, I don't have much high hope for this for this trade. So I'm gonna be stopped out, and that's fine. And that's pretty much it. So the trading is just that simple. That is what if and then. That's it. All right. Okay, so now it started pulling back above. Once it breaks 67.5 right here, going up to 68, we don't see much hope here. I'm telling you, once it breaks 67.5 and go up to 68, we don't see much hope. But if it can stay in this 1 minute, staying below that, we are gonna see some profits. All right, this is good. That's it, coming down, baby, Come on down, baby. All right, we might see a lot of profit here. 63, come on. Let's go down. I want at least 63 right here if we can make it. And this is the chain of the 7th hour. All right, come on. So we had this little pullbacks already, having a lot of shots, cannot stay above the tunnel line, and now starting to become more and more, uh, more and more likable, more and more likable, more and more my way, the way that I thought, because it cannot stay. Now, doesn't mean that there are big players that, oh, I think 65 is actually a good price and buying it up, hitting a stop loss. That can always happen. So never put all your egg in one basket, even though this does looks really good. That I am at this point, I'm sure at least 60 to 70% that we are going to be hitting our targets. However, you never know. The future is something that you can never know what's going to happen. So you always want to have a stop loss. You always want to be able to. Oh, 1 second. Oh, man, I don't have enough space. Yeah, sorry. You always want to be able to handle it when the stop loss happens. Okay, when things doesn't go your way, and that's the most important thing. That's what I see so far. Okay, 1 minute. Don't know what happened. Okay, perfect. All right. Yeah, the memory is gone. I really had to delete some of these movies. Anyway. Uh oh. Okay. Now it doesn't look too good. If it breaks above, it's setting itself up for like a huge punch up to that 68.5. But we'll wait. We'll wait for it. Oh, come on. All right. Okay. A little bit of technical difficulties, but that should be fine. All right. Is it gonna come down? Is it gonna come down? Most important questions here. Is it gonna come down below that 66.75? Come on. To be honest, I thought it going to drop way before this. Shouldn't have to wait like more than half an hour. But we will know soon enough whether it's gonna hit a stop loss or hit our targets. Okay, now that it leaves so many bottoming tail, I think it's gonna go up now. Now it doesn't look like it want to go come down at all. Yep, I think we're pretty much done here because it is staying above the eternal line, leaving this bottoming tail on that last previous candle as well. So right now doesn't look good. Right now doesn't look good unless it can stay below the eternal line. This doesn't look good, but it doesn't go above the resistance yet, which is basically 68. So we'll wait around. We'll wait around for it. And right now, because that's new yesterday, I don't think there's gonna be much volume today. And the highest it goes is actually like 73. I feel like, not feel. I assuming that's the top of the day. So, never mind. I assuming that was the top of the day. So if that is the top of the day, then it should slowly grinding coming down. And that's why I have my position open still. Unless it do that. Yeah, now it broke 68. Almost certain that I'm done with this trade. So first trade in, and I might get stopped out in another 20 pips or 20 points or so. Couple more points, and I'll be stopping out. Oof, almost. It's like a few more points, and I'll be stopping out. I don't think I will survive that because it's already shown me that it wants to go up by staying above it this much. But you never know. You never know. Jeez, the spike to sweep to sweep a lot of people off, and then the spike down. That's you gotta love that. And same thing, if it cannot come down below the 67, then it is still going to go up. Right now, I'm still thinking that it's going to go up because it still cannot break below the EF tunnel line. Unless it break below EF tunnel line, then I will start to see that it is coming down. Unless it break this tunnel line. Boom! All right. It touches it, still not breaking yet. It just touches it. Let's see if it can break it. Let's see if it can break the tunnel line. Oh, that's a bounce. That's a bounce. I don't like the bounce. I wanted it to break through. That's a lot of bounce. Might be it. Might be it. I might. Yeah, it's not. It's not coming down. It's not coming down. From the looks of this, I have 20 more seconds on this candle, but from the looks of it, there's a lot more demand on this tunnel line, so it is likely that I'm gonna get stopped out right here because that's a bounce. Because that's this little bounce right here. That's a bounce. Yeah, that's it. So now this candle is gonna be green. Yes? No? Maybe? Still give me a little hope here. Still give me a little hope. Nope. It's gonna be green. That's it. All right. All right. Let's see where we going. Where we going? Yeah, we're going up. Breaking 68, and then I'll be done with this trade. Breaking over 68 right here. Especially if it go back above this previous high right here, it's definitely gonna go higher. It's already left the bottoming tail at the EF tunnel line, so I don't have much high hope that it is going to come down right now. And I'll be in for another trade, so we'll be in for one more trade. Or not. Let's see. Yeah, but like right now it just keeps staying above the eternal line. So unless it can break below here, I wouldn't. Yeah, unless it break below here, I wouldn't say that we are out of the loop yet. Just had to stay below the eternal line first before I think that we are going to go for profit. But right now doesn't look good. If anybody just came in today, right now, and they are thinking of selling, I would say that wait until it breaks 67 right here. Once it does, then yeah, you still have a lot of room here to sell, but right now your chance is not as good. So here's something that I want to explain to everybody here. Give me one moment. Oh, nobody's coming in yet. Okay, that's fine. Pop out chat just in case that some people are coming in. All right. Like whether this challenge fail or not, I would say this is gonna be a really good documentary for me for my future self to come back, look, and then learn a lesson from this. And yeah, I feel like 68 right here, it gonna break and it gonna go up and gonna hit my stop loss right now, and that's fine. I already had my stop loss in place. I wouldn't buy though because the trend from what I look here, from the looks of it here, it looks like it's trending down. So I'm thinking that it is gonna come down. It just make a bad timing on it right here because I saw that it is coming down and it actually is not. So we might take our second loss here, but we will play one more. That's for sure. Yeah, I thought the 66.5 was a good price to enter. Apparently, not really. No, you never know. You never know. But for me right now, the 67 looks like it cannot break, so I think it gonna go up right now. Yeah, leaving a lot of topping tail as well, so I think it looks like it's gonna go up. Like this week right here, look. We have so many week that I don't feel like we are gonna come down anytime soon. I kind of hope that we come down, but the graph just said otherwise. So we'll just have to play it by ears. All right. Perfect. That's it. Good. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Aww. Just hit the turtle line and just spike. So it is the EF turtle line is really strong right now. doesn't seem like it wants to come down at all. Like back there, it would just hit and spike. So if it does that, then I would say that it might not coming down anymore, and I accept that. It's fine. We'll find another trade. We definitely gonna find another trade. So don't you worry. I might like because it's today. I don't think I want to play a breakout, but right there, that's it. I got stopped out. It's fine. If it come down some more, I will play a shot again until, but only after it does form. So that's a loss. It's fine. It already punches through, so I think it will go all the way up to like 67. That's minus $30. Let's see if it go back up to 37. I mean 70. 67. No, I mean it's gonna go up to 70 right now. And why don't I buy? I don't think I should buy, especially the day like today. The day like today is more like a sideways day. So, oh wow! Don't tell me you're gonna hit a stop loss and then come down. That's not nice. I'm telling you, that's not nice. Unless it break down below the eternal line, I'm not gonna get in. Yeah, I that doesn't mean that I would get it on the buy either. I'm still looking to sell today because it feels like the the goal has exhausted its strength. The bull has exhausted its strength to actually climb up now. And how do I know that? Right here. Like I'm looking to sell all the way. That's just because it's been grinding the whole day. This oh, excuse me. This area right here. This is the grinding area right here that has been grinding the whole day, and it only be able to break out once, twice, yeah, couple of times only, and it seems like it cannot break above this area. So this area would be my area to actually make a reversal on. This is my reversal area. So right at 70. Right at 70. But that doesn't mean that hit 70 and then I'll sell. No, I'm just gonna keep on waiting. Even if after it hits 70, I'm just gonna keep on waiting and see if I can, if I just gonna play what I would play. Maybe I'll wait for, another half hour. Let's see. Maybe it will jump really hard and making higher high, higher low for another trend up in this New York market. We'll wait some more. And some people might be asking me like, why don't you buy then if you know that it's gonna go up that much? Well, that's the thing. I don't know if it's gonna go up that much or not. If I know, I would be, man, more than God, because that means that I can predict the future, but I can't. I cannot. So I will have to, whatever the dice roll, I was just gonna play it with that. Oh, it's come down really hard. Okay, let's see the break right here to the 70, and let's see if I have a good entry on that. Okay, now is a game that we all love, the waiting game, because that shot right there was not going according to plan. So we will have to wait for things to happen right now. Oh, okay. Hmm. You think it's gonna break 70? That would be insane if it breaks 70 and just keep going up and up and up again. Because right now it is on a sideways trend essentially. Right now it is on a sideways trend. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes here. So here on the 5 minute chart, I want to sell right here, like around 60, 70 or 71. but not when it does that. Okay, so here, right here, it won't go back down because of this. It's reversal. It's a V-shaped reversal. Hmm, interesting. Okay, it breaks 70. Mhm. Yeah, it's not breaking. I was like, am I? Should I sell it here? Should I sell it here? No, no, I shouldn't sell it here. It might work out, but I shouldn't be selling it there. Just debating myself. So if it can go back up above 73, going up to 75, I will change my play here to more of a breakout play where I continue to follow by. But this is the right here is at 70, and right now it just kind of stay in between, not really doing much. If I'm just waiting for the breakout here, and I want to wait for, is it going to break the 73? That's the only thing I'm waiting for. I want to see if it can break 73 as well, because if it can break above both of them, that'd be amazing. Then we'll choose the way that it's going to go up. Simple as that. Right now, it looks like it is staying above right now. Yep, continue to stay above right now, 70. So, boom, right here. All right, here we go. It's staying above 70 right now. So, like I said, this is the box that is staying. So, punch through the box, coming back to retest it, can't go below it. So, it's gonna break above right now, unless it can break below this box right here. If it cannot, then it's just gonna go all the way, up. Might be going up to 73, might be going up to 75. I don't know, and I don't have any position on, so I don't really care. We will care that it is chooses its way that it want to go up. Once that happens, once we know that it want to go up for sure, we can manage our plan accordingly, and we're gonna play a follow by in this case. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna break below 70 here. Now it punches 70. Will it stay below 70? It just punches it though. Nope. If it stay above 70 in another 10 seconds, then I stand to correct that it will be going up. But it has to stand above 25.70 though. Right now it's not guaranteed. It just needs to go above 70 again. Okay, good so far. Let's see. Let's see if it can go stay above 70. But I feel like it cannot go above 70 for very much. I think maximum would be 75, no more than 80. I don't think it's going to be any more than 80. But you never know. There was a lot of selling pressure. There should be a lot of selling pressure because it's Friday. But if the selling pressure doesn't come, oh, here we go. Oh, that just breaks speed line too. Okay, it does a lot of things right in this candle right here. That kind of tempted me to get sell again. But selling right here, I know it will be very risky because there will be this tunnel line that it need to break through as well. So I don't want to go into that. In another 20 minutes, it will show me where it will want to go, whether up or down. So let's see it. Leaving a bottoming tail now. So that would be the pullbacks. And if it can just climb up above 70, then it is likely that it's gonna go up more and more and more. And I think it might reach top at 75 again. I have a feelings before it starting to drop it only a little bit. So today might be a good thing to do a retest buy just like yesterday, but that's not as much volume. I actually thought that today gonna be more of a sell-off day even, and it just didn't happen. And right now, yep, it's gonna go above 70. Let's see. Yeah, it's just staying above 70 in one candle. So I think right now that it is staying above 70, oh wow. It is going to go up to 73 right now. I'm not playing there because that's nothing for me to play. I need to wait for another break of structure or something before I start consider buying right now. But it looks like it is going up. Let's see the breakout first though. It needs to break out of this zone, the yellow zone, and come back to retest in this yellow zone before I actually buying it up. So we wait and wait. Yeah, right now it is staying above right here at 71. I think it's gonna go way above right now. Gonna go to 72, 73. All the works. Okay, it definitely chooses the way that it's gonna go up. And especially right now at almost 8 o'clock. So we'll wait to see the pullbacks down to 70 or 69, and then we'll play a follow by. I'm not gonna play a sell just yet, especially after this drive up here. I know this drive that is not very much, only like 200 points, but it's still enough that I am considering buying. So let's see how it goes. I want to see some other time frame right now. Let's see on a half-hour time frame. Oh, there's a sell signal right here on a half-hour time frame. Oh, hello. Anybody who pressed like for me, can you type in the name for me so that I know who it is? Oh, okay. Now it's just going up and up and up right now. Yeah, I already had one order in, hit a stop loss, it's fine. Still looking to sell, unless it can actually break above 73 right now. So unless it actually breaks 73, then I say that today is gonna be a sideways day where we're gonna be selling. And oh, there's a sell signal here with the Gold Hunter indicator on a 5-minute shot. I want to see some more confirmation. Right now, it's still not enough confirmation that it's gonna go down. No, still not enough confirmation. So we will wait. And if, like I said, if it can break 73 above there, then I will be, it will be up and up and up, and I'll have to wait for the pullbacks to the eternal line before we buy it up again. I'll wait 12 more minutes before things are moving in the next candle. And I still don't see any comments. I don't know if it's bugs or just a live chat. Hey, I can kick for myself too. Yay. I can kick a live for myself too. Alright. 72, let's go. Let's go if it can go up above 73. I don't think it's gonna go back above 75 though, but if it does, we might be in for a huge move upward here. Like continue on from yesterday, because yesterday momentum was really strong. It's like about 4,000 point, and this afternoon, oh wow, okay, that should trigger a lot of stop loss. In one candle, it moved like 100 points. So it's gonna go up now. Hit 73. That's gonna be the previous high right here. Boom. It hit 73. Let's see if it can break above that. But right now, it finally chooses its way that it want to go up. So we don't need to question whether it want to go up or not. Right now, it chooses that it wants to go up. So all we have to do is wait for the pullback down to the price that we know a good entry at around the turtle line, and then we'll buy it up. But right now, let it go. Let it just keep on going. we're selling right here at 65.5, somewhere around here. Yeah. Okay. All right, it just go above 73 now. All right, new drawing. This right here. Yeah, this right here, I doubt it very much that it's gonna go above, but right now that it shows that it's gonna go above, so we're gonna wait for the pullback to possibly around 70, and then we'll buy it up. The reason why I don't buy it up back then is because like I didn't think that it's gonna go up. I still think that it's gonna go down, but right now that it break this much, I'll wait for the pullbacks and I'll be buying it up. And my strategy is just as simple as that. Wherever it goes, I'll wait for the pullbacks and then I'll play it follow. That's about it. Plain and simple. Wow, it's really gonna go up. If it can reach 75, that would be all-time high. And I think that gonna trigger a lot of a lot of stop loss for a lot of people here. In 7 minutes, it's gonna change the time frame. It's gonna change the 1 hour shot, and from the looks of it, like I said, living bottoming tail, bottoming tail, bottoming tail, and today is like that. So if it closed in 5 minutes, it's gonna close this candle like that. I'm thinking that it will be the continuation of yesterday. So this is a typical breakout play where the price cannot go below. So if it does this, then it's going to break even more, and possibly we could see, if this is the low of the day at 63, we could see up to at least 83. So that's the least that it will do, and I think it, because of how it is right now, because of how it looks right now, I'm thinking that we are more safe to go on the buying side. So we wait for the pullbacks, however little it might be, having a long signal near the EF tunnel line, and we are definitely going to be playing a buy. All right. Let's wait for the pullbacks. And the good pullback should be coming in after the hour has closed in about 5 minutes here. So in another 5 minutes, once it is closed, then there will be a drop and then it will go up. So here's the scenario. It will stay sideways for the next 5 minutes, having a drop at the beginning of the 8 p.m. hourly chart, and then it will spike. And possibly, I think it could go up to 83, at least 80, at least 80. And we're not gonna hold it that long. We are going to be scalping, so we're gonna hold maybe 300, 400 points max, and we'll be done. So right now we wait for the next 4 minutes. Just need to make sure that this doesn't drop before the 4 minutes is up, because staying like this is really good on the 1 hour chart, because right here, if it stays like this, it means that it will finish 1 hour chart full, full bar, full green bar. And it doesn't look like it's gonna be coming down anytime soon. Right now, it's gonna break 74 soon. Once it breaks 74, going up to 75, we'll just have to wait for the change of the candle. Every new change of candle will have some type of pullbacks, and then it will shoot up. And that's where we are gonna be placing our buy limits. At least that's the plan. So, 3 more minutes. Oh, no way, it's breaking out. It's breaking out before the close of the 2 minutes. So, but here's the thing: it's at the 75 psychological level. I don't think it will break 75, so it should coming down here. It should be coming down here. I don't think it will break 75. And once it comes down to like about 70, then we'll be buying. Don't tell me it's gonna punch through 75. That's insane. For those of you who play breakout play, then you might want to get you had to get it at that candle right here, 74. Stop loss really tight, like 72. But trust me, it's not the odds of that happening is, well, in this case it works out, but I saw a lot of cases it doesn't, so that's why I am waiting for the pullbacks before I enter another long position. Let's see. Wow, 30 more seconds. It might be that it is, spike up to spike down. That could be the problem as well. So if it spike down and break this, break 70 hard, then I'm not gonna be getting in as well. I might go on reversal. So 3, 2, 1, and what's the reaction? What's the reaction? The reaction is it didn't even want to come down. Jesus. Here's a 75. Ooh! Like I said, the only thing I kind of expect differently is that it should sideways before the spike down, but this is basically spike up and then spike down. But that spike down doesn't mean that it will come all the way down. It might be just people are selling it off as a pullback. But it could be that this is a manipulation. Get it up as high as possible for um, a lot of people to think that, oh, it's gonna go up all the way to the moon at 2600, and then um, the distribution starts happening. So that could be happening as well. We don't know. We'll wait and see. We're just gonna play it according to our plan, which is basically a retest buy. That means that it has to break out, and this is already the breakout, and coming back retest at 70, leaving a bottoming tail at a psychological level, and having a good signal, so we can actually buy it up. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. And if it's gonna be another loss today, then I'll be marked as two losses, and I'll be done for the next week. Next week, coming back, do it again. Same thing over and over and over again. I'm just gonna play Elite Test Buy because I know more than 50% chance it's gonna go up. That's it. And I have a clear point of stop loss, just like on this one that I did. Clear point of stop loss. I can tell you, yeah, this doesn't look good. I agree that it doesn't look good. There's no point of it coming back. And look how it grew so much. All right. A lot of people be like, "Hey, can I sell right here?" It's so exaggerated. Don't do it. Like it can get more and more expensive. It's just up to people who drive up the price. If they say that nope, this is not high enough, and people are having a bidding war, then this will happen. It's just the price is gonna keep going up like crazy. I was seeing something that like Labubu. If anybody know that little toy Labubu, well, the price jumped up really high as well, and that's because there's demand for it. Once there's demand, people can sell it at any price because the people who want to buy are willing to pay at any price, and that's just the logical demand supply. All right, here we go. Let's see the break of 74. If it's gonna come down, maybe this is the drop. Like this right here might be this. Like I'm not kidding that I think this is the drop already. Jesus. If that is the drop, that's insane. I'm not gonna get in because like I will be waiting at least to come down around 70 before I actually taking a trade. If it stay like this, it is that to break 75. It break, we will let it break. We will let it continue to break because if it can just keep going up and up above 75, well, that's a breakout play. We let those guys have their fun of breakout play, but we're not gonna be one of them. Wow, there's no tomorrow. Just keep going up like there's no tomorrow. Yep, it's definitely is on an uptrend right now. Remember how I be able to tell an uptrend and downtrend? It's just because of this right here when we have an indecision and we, uh, especially on a 1 minute chart, it's really interesting how the 1 minute time frame really respected the eternal line. And when it cannot break, I say that, yeah, I'm not seeing it. It's coming down, even though there was this spike down coming down right here. I said that it cannot stay below the tunnel line, so it's just gonna keep going up. And that stems from an understanding of how people are playing. They use almost everybody uses the same technique, and well, when we are playing a bidding war against each other, that tend to happen. The prediction that which side has more strength, and that's why I am here to basically give you a guideline of what I think might happen. Doesn't mean I know. I just mean that I seen the breaks out right here already. And here we go. Now it's gonna be the pullbacks that we're waiting for. At least, come on. At least coming down here before going out again, at least to the 70 area. Then we might have a trade. If not, then we're just gonna be watching things just keep going up and up. Because the only people who get this trade right here is the breakout guys. That's the only guys who will get this trade because at this certain point, like a few here, a few there, you can never know. It could just go up and down, especially in this like little tiny right here, like right here. If we erase all this off, at this point, at this candle, it might just as well reverse down because this is the top of the day. So, for those of you who play breakout, you really gotta believe that you're seeing this often enough, and that's stem from the setup that's been happening. And for me personally, I cannot see. I try to do breakout trades for years. I just can't see it. I've seen too many failures of the breakout. So I am going to go for more of a sure thing, which is basically a lead test buy. And right now it looks like it's about to come in. Let's see if it breaks 75 down. Actually, let me see a few things. Yeah, 15 minutes. Oof. Breakout. This is a breakout. This is a breakout play. Yeah, nobody gonna get this trade at all. Break 70, break 77. Boom. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You cannot even come back down below 55, 75 here. Oof. It's Friday, and I have a feeling that it could go up to like 2600. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. It could go up to 3600 right now. Oh man, that's C long, the engulfing C long. Uh, for those of you who have position from uh, like back here at like 68, 69, 70, and want to add position, you could do it right here and put a stop loss just below the 73, because right now looks like it could just go up or up and away. Don't think that it is going to be stopping at all. We are at 77. There's no pullbacks, and I'm getting cold feet. Not doing it what I expected to do. Basically, what I mean is there's no cooling off at all in this period here. Like there's no cool off. It's just gonna keep grinding. And unless it can actually break 75 down here, it will break both speed line and come down. Then there will be a pullback. But if it cannot do a pullback here, it's pretty much gonna keep going up and up and up. I'm still waiting for the pullbacks. If it's not happening, then I cannot play because we are on the breakouts right now. Like, remember when at the beginning we were at the start right here at 67, 68, and we said that, oh, it cannot go above 70. Well, once it did go above 70, look what happened. Just keep going up. And that's why we have a stop loss. Let's see at 60. Ooh, right here. That's going to be a break. I'm hoping that's going to be a break right here. It's not breaking. The speed line is not breaking. Well, I should expect it as much because it's a breakout on a time frame day. It's tend to be, a little bit more of a breakout play, but still, Jesus, it's not gonna pull back at all. I'm really surprised at this that it's not stopping at all, and it just keep on climbing. Like it's not like boom, 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 and that's news and stuff like that. But it's just like, yeah, I'm kind of slowly grinding away. Um, Basically, everybody was saying, whatever price you got, I'm buying. Whatever price you got, I'm buying. I'm buying. I'm buying. There's no people who are, hey, this is a good, like this is pretty much a good price to sell, and then just dump it all. I don't see that at all right now. Right now, I'm just seeing any price that the sellers are giving, there are buyers ready to buy it up right now. It's just, yeah, the buyer is just ready to buy it up, whatever price it may be, and there will definitely be a big players coming in, and like that, like that, like that, because the price is not like that. There's too much demand right there. That's why I'm saying like don't sell, but I don't dare buy either because it's so close to that 80. And right now it's basically on an hourly chart right here, and it's just been breaking out, and I couldn't get in. So we will have to wait because right now, if we take a look at this 5 minute charts, we can see the momentum of the breakouts. And unless it can come back down, cooling off, especially even if it's cooling off for that 1 minute chart, we'll have a pretty good buy. But right now, it just doesn't do that. Right now, it just keep going up, like keep grinding up and up. And right now at 80, don't think it's stopping. There's no cooling off. There's no cooling off. And so, if there's no cooling off, we are not going to be playing. I have a feeling that in another 40 minutes we might not be able to play at all. Oh no. I live at the beginning we have one trade and that's it. And we'll try to get for a long position after we decide to go for a long after it reaches 75. It doesn't have any spike down or any pullback for us to be buying at all. Right now, it's just been lining up. Like you could buy right here at 75, but you know that it's really easy to spike down, hit a stop loss, and then just keep on trying, like climbing up. Wow, and right now it's at 81. Right now, it just blew my mind. All right, here's at 80. See here, when it is breaking out, that's 1 hour. The second hour will be pretty much the same. 1, 2, to that 83, and 3 to possibly just over 90. Maybe even close to 2600. That's why uh, and that's the potential of the drive movement in 3 hours. Doesn't mean it will happen. Just saying that there's a possibility, a pretty high possibility that the it not gonna stop here at 2580. Some people may say like, oh, it's a lot already. It's not a lot yet. It's not. 2580 is not a lot yet. It could go up even more. And but do I want to buy it here? Well, if you buy it here, you have to be aware that it can fall down hard at any time because right now it is a slow grind up. It's not like, oh, it's spiking up really fast. It's just slow grind up. So if you are up with the ladder, if you up with the stair, then you're gonna come down with an elevator. That I don't know how it goes. It's just like once you climb up the hill, you're gonna drop like a rock. Up the stair, down the elevator. I'm not gonna sell at 2580. I'm not gonna sell. It looks like, hey, it's stopping. Well, there's a lot of people who are selling and thought that, hey, look, it is at this point already. I should sell because it is look like it's about to turn around. No, don't do it. Right now is the people who break out will get all the money. For those of you who play a breakout, they can play it here. And if it can break above 81, they'll buy it again. That's just how the breakout goes. Like they build position by breaking all the higher high. I mean higher low. And sometimes higher low it just means this little bull flag right here, little bull flag right here, and little resistance that cannot go above. Once you come back, this is the retest, then buy it again. And that's how the breakout people play to build up their position. I personally find that really stressful, even more stressful than what we are doing right now. But here, right here, for those of you who play breakout, they will enter. And if it does fall down and hit a stop loss, they'll put a stop loss really tight, like about 100 or 200 points. And then they'll, if it hit, it hits. But when they are in profit, they will take not one, not two, not three. They will take like 1,000 points at least for every 100 or 200 risk they have. And wow, 80. If it break, if it breaks 79, I might. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not playing a sell at 79. That's very risky. I wouldn't even play a buy at 79. Jesus. Yep. This is just a start of grinding. I think it will go all the way up. 90, possibly 2600 today. That's nobody is selling yet. I think if it does reach 2600, it will fall down hard on Monday. If it reached 2600 today. But if it's slow grind to 2600 and stay there, I don't know. Well, we still have like at least 6 7 hours before that happens. So we'll take a look, wait and see. I doubt very much that the 80 here will break though. I think this is just gonna be a slow pullback before it could go up here, but you never know. If it does broke, then this will be broken really fast. So let's see. All right, start to break. Okay, maybe it will fall like a rock right here. This will be the last resistance at the speed line of about 677.5. That will be the last resistance line. I mean, last support. Basically, the speed line support. Let's see if it's gonna break. Yeah, it's not. Look at this doji. It's not breaking. Maybe a pause. It's not breaking. Or not. Okay, it's starting to come down now. Will it break the speed line? That's the question. If it does break the speed line, it could go down here to 73, 74. That may be where we would take our long position. All right, we might be able to get in on our last trade here. Just recover that loss at the beginning of the day. If not, if it cannot come down below here, oh man, we're not gonna get another trade. And it is right at 8:30. Okay, it broke. Let's see here. It broke now. Can it come down to 73? That's where we want to be. That's where we want the price to be at, so we can have our entry. But once it reached 73, I don't say that play it right away. I don't want you to just play it right away. I want you to wait first before we play again at 73. Wait for the reversal pattern, wait for the long signal, and we make a good judgment of it that yeah, it had a potential to go up more. Then and only then we will buy. Don't tell me it only pulled back that much and then go up already. It finally broke speed line. I was just like, yes, we might be getting a good position right now. And nope. Oh man, the breakout is insane. Yeah, the breakout is just insane right now. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. Now it should pull back to a much more, making much more sense. There we go. All right, pulling back down to about 73, and let's see if we can actually buy it up. Come on, come on. That's good right now. Right now, it stay below the speed line. It already dropped all the support right now. Um, don't have anything yet except this 77 where it just broke. So there might be a breakout traders who buy at this point right here because of this breakout. So this is gonna be a retest buy for the breakout traders, but that's not gonna be us. We are aiming for much more pullbacks than just that. But if that is, well, don't tell me, holy, how high do you want it to go? Really? Here's 80 again. Already break back above the speed line, so it did not stay. This did not stay. So let's draw a new. Jesus. Okay, here's at 80. And I feel like it's gonna be easily break above 80. Let's see. Yep. Like I said, that's why I'm not playing a sell right now because it's very dangerous of how aggressive the bulls are at this point. So if the bulls are this aggressive, I don't think I want to be getting into his way. And we just want to ride the bull, so we'll wait for we wait for it to come close so that we can ride the bull. And especially if you can make it kind of sit tight for a while, then we can safely ride the bull. Not staying above, not staying above the. Yep, it's not staying above 80. Oh, oh, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Staying above. Right now, it is above 80. That's the cutoff point. If that's the case, then it's gonna continue on. For those of you who play a breakout, congratulations. It is not gonna stop. I have a feeling that this is not stopping at 81. It's just gonna keep on going. It's not gonna stop at 81. I think it might be up to like 90. Look, this is the retest for breakout for the small breakout, and it already are like doing this, like going up this much. So there are like big players waiting to get in at every opportunity. I never seen this since a long time ago. So I'm Like anybody who want to get it on the buy position right now, be prepared to get hit a stop loss quite often. However, once it actually green at least 100 or 200 points, make sure that you move your stop loss to the entry point, because right now it should just keep going up and up and up and up without ever coming down. So 81 right now, I'm pretty sure it is going to go above 85. So let's see. Let's see. As long as stay above 81 right here, as long as it stay above 81 right here, it's just gonna keep on grinding up to that 85. Yeah, people are just eating it up right here. Like this is not a manipulation. This is basically like whatever price you have, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Like this is every basically eating up every excuse to buy right now. Oh, that's the pullbacks. Or it could be a fake out. Okay, back to the speed line. Back to the speed line. All right, well, it didn't stay. It looks like it wants to, and then it didn't stay. Will it want to stay in this case, though? $78. Ooh. All right, the next minute gonna show me. Let me see in the half hour time frame here. Oh, start to leaving topping tail. Could be a reversal. Could be a reversal. Yeah. We'll have to wait for the 1 hour candle to finish. But if the 1 hour finish cannot go past 80, then we can aim for a reversal right now. Although this spike right here was kind of concerning. And the speed line still not destroyed. The speed line right here still not getting destroyed. Now it's going back up above 80. Oh, jeez. Maybe it will break. Because right now it's staying above 81. It come down for like 1 minute or two and then just jump up right away. And same thing with this here. Less than 5 minutes, jump up right away. Less than 5 minutes, jump up right away. So I think that it will go up to that 90. Right now that it is about to break out. This 1 minute right here will decide. If it come down, then it might not make it. But if it go above, it will be 1, 2 really easily. What will you do? What will you do? This is Friday after all. Looks like it's going up. Looks like it's going up. 83 now. And no momentum. No momentum. Looks like it wants to try. It wants to try, but no momentum. Let's see this candle right here. Nope. This is at 82. And nothing. Nothing. Not yet. Not yet. No strength. No strength to go beyond 83. So we'll wait to see if it can go above 83 or not. If it can go above 83, yeah, then it will go to 2590. It had a potential too, and possibly 2600 tonight. But okay, here's the volume. Here's volume coming in. Let's see it break that 83. Broke. Like it broke very little and then just not going up more. I was expect one to or more candle to come in. But there's still no selling pressure coming in at all. So I think that it's still gonna climb up at this point. I still don't see a spike down. Okay, broke. Can't stay. If it can't stay below 80 as well. Okay, that's a huge candle right there. If it cannot stay above 80, it's gonna fall all the way down to 75. And that might be our entry. Maybe. Here we go. No, we're not gonna get at 80. We want to break. Let's see it break the speed line coming down here. Having a good entry after it cool off. Maybe a sideways here between 75 and 80. That would be a pretty good entry for me. We just want to go with the strength. We want to buy, but we don't want to be too risky to play a buy. Not breaking the speed line. It's not breaking it. It's not breaking 80. It's not breaking speed line, so it is going to go all the way down. Go all the way up. But the speed line is really obvious right now. The speed line is just so obvious right now. So I might even play a sell on the break of the speed line. It's just a little daring. Let's say a sell break of 80, maybe. No, I'm gonna stick with the retest buy right now because it already chooses way that it want to go up. But in 9 minutes, if I don't have any order, I'm not gonna stick around. Um, so I'm gonna be finishing the day with that one order that I lost, and then I'm done. Doesn't seem like I'm gonna be getting this last order. All right, let's see. Let's see if it's gonna break for me. Let's see if it's gonna break it for me. Nope. Okay, guys. Waiting 2 hours, and since the start of the day, having a stop loss there, I don't have any order here at all. Like I could sell here at the break of the speed line right now, but it's not fall into my category that I had worked out, which is basically to buy at the re-entry at 25.75. So unless I can actually buy right here, I'm not going to risk myself getting hurt. And right now, to be honest, it is not looking good because on 1 hour time frame, look at this. That leaving topping tail, which could mean, especially if it can come down here to 75 before the finish of the 9 o'clock, it could mean the reversal down, which means our retest buy is not going to be as effective. So, I know, we've been waiting all this time, but the time has passed. If it will pull back over here, that would be great. But right now, the time has passed. The uh, like the opportunity is gone. So the only thing we can do is to see if yeah, like to see if it actually fall down further or not. But if it finishes in 7 minutes, if it finishes in like around 75, 76, I wouldn't take my I would take my order. No, I wouldn't place an order because it's very risky. It's very risky. I know it is on an uptrend, but I don't see it. I don't see it grinding it up anymore. So we'll wait and see if it can drop some more. But oh come on, really? At 78, break right away. Okay, retest on that speed line. Oh wow, retest on the speed line, and nope, it's not a retest on the speed line. Looks like it's gonna go above. Is it? Yes, no, maybe. Let's see if it's gonna go above the speed line. Nope, it's not gonna go above the speed line. Can't go above 80. um, can't go above 80. I see a potential of at least 300 points from here if it can break down. You know what? Oh god! I was about to place a sell here. No. I was about to place a sell there just because it is. It seems like it doesn't want to come down anymore. I mean, it don't want to come up anymore because its retail speed line can't, and especially at 80, can't stay above 80. Finish of the line, gonna come back down. But all in all, I think I will be done because this is all the time that I back tested and seems to be working. Basically between 7 to 9. Not usually go up to 10. Yesterday was a little bit of odd game where I want to play, but if I can't find an opportunity to play, I don't play. And right now, I can't find opportunity to play, even though it jumped from like 70 to 80. I can't find a good pullback to actually play on the buy. So I am going to be done for the day. Yes, no, maybe. Yeah, I'm pretty much gonna be done for the day. Looks to me like I think I better quit now with the one loss better than try to force in the last 4 minutes here for the trade to happen. Oh, it is coming down. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll be here again at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day to try to scalp at least 300 points with the risk of 200. Uh, with the winning trade right now, I am back down to break even because I just lost at that time. So I just lost today. So it become one win, two losses, but that one win was a 2-1. So I am back at square one. So if anybody just started watching me, well, welcome to the show, and we'll begin trading again on Monday. And tonight we'll be done for the day. Have a good one and have a profitable day. See ya.